Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to take a little bit of time to show you some of the organization that I've done for this particular game here called Tank Duel. Let me make sure I don't have glare on there for you. Tank Duel, Enemy in the Crosshairs. And this is a really cool game by Mike Bernicelli. And really enjoy this game, and I got to play it with him and actually going to be playing in a couple weeks at GMT West. So let me show you how I organized all the pieces on here. Now, again, I do this with a 3D printer, and all the files are available at my website, the Nerd Workshop. And I do charge a minimal amount of money on it, just basically to pay for the site so I can keep them up for anybody who wants to download them and organize theirs. It takes a lot of time to make these things. Many times I have to redo some because I make them wrong the first time. But let's take a look inside and see how I did this one. Okay, so organizing Tank Duel was a bit of a challenge, but you know, I always like to figure out how to put everything in there. But I always like to get it back in the box so that it goes up on the shelf nice and neat. So using my 3D printer, you can see that I use the playbook on top to hold everything in place. But here's the way that I have it laid out here. And I have your cards in trays here, in card trays, so that you can use these if you want on the game, during the gameplay. There's enough room in there to stack the cards if you need to. And in these particular ones, I like this idea of being able to pull this out and use this, have it sitting right there, so that if you need to add these or add a range or change anything, they're easy to get to. You can grab it relatively easy from these trays, and then the tray goes back into this for storage. These particular ones, you do have to use some tweezers to pull out, but all of them are easy enough to grab out of there. And the same way here, we have some round counters over here, pull out, and our little square counters all right here. And again, each of these trays can come out so that you can have them next to your game while you're playing and draw straight from there if you need to. So every once in a while you're going to get them to flip up a little bit like that, but they stay remarkably well inside here. So put that one back there. This one goes there. And that's the setup. Back on top. And this closes down so that when you put it in your bookshelf, everything stays in place. So that's how I organize Tank Duel with the STL files that are available on my website, the Nerd Workshop, and a link is below if you'd like to purchase them. Hopefully you like what I'm doing here. Please do like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching this one.